Hi guys. In this video we will show you how to play PowerPoint on Kommander. Click the plus. Select Add Office. Add Office file to resource. And drag your PowerPoint to Canvas. Office supports automatic page turning. Right-click Office. Go to Setting. Check Yes under Auto. And Duration. Click OK to apply the setting. We offer several ways to turn pages in PowerPoint. Use the keyboard. Use a presentation clicker or cue light. Use the page up and page down buttons. You can also set the starting page number. Turn off the auto mode. Go to Parameters. Play, Set. Input the page number. Save this plan and add a new plan. When it is called again, the presentation will start from the page you set. To preview your PowerPoint, Office supports display mode settings, including current slide and next slide. Next slide helps the speaker to preview the content of the next page. Drag your PowerPoint to the blank canvas. Apply the next slide. You can synchronize the output of both the current and next slide, giving you control over the presentation. Office also supports page number output, which helps the presenter track their progress of the presentation. Check Show Page. If PowerPoint animation mode doesn't output correctly, it can be solved by the following operations. Setting. System. Media. Set default Office to Microsoft Office. Animation to inject. Check Launch PowerPoint using animation mode. Click OK to save the settings. You can also change the PowerPoint to image mode by right-clicking on the material. Setting. But the image mode has no animation effects and no sound. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.